Alright guys, MUR-LOCK 68 back again. Hope everybody's doing well. So I'm bringing back the charcoal gray 83 AL50 Avis that I just picked for you guys in the previous video for a couple of reasons. I want to attempt it with the Lishied. I've done that before. For those of you again that are new, the Lishied 2-in-1 pick tool used to pick it and also decode it if you don't have a key. Also, when I took it apart, I showed you the plug that appeared to be sanded down. Typically that's done where they just use any pins they have, they drop them in and then file everything flat, as opposed to putting the proper pins in there. So even though I couldn't do anything with the plug, I did put the original lab pins in there. So just wanted to show you that. So first things first, I'm going to try to see if I can get in there with the Lishied. Okay. I'm going to put that in there. Be careful with the tip. Okay, we're going to pull that back, get some tension on it. So this is where we'll be applying the tension, and we'll go pin by pin and see what we get. So we'll start off with 6, nothing, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go back to 6. Okay, we got a small click out of 5. Okay, let's go back again to 6. Couple of clicks there, 5. Nothing on 3, nothing on 2. I'm going to let off on a tension just a bit here. Okay, 6, 5, 4, 3, nothing on 2. Go back again to 6. Okay, a little bit of movement there on the core on 6. Nothing on 5 or 4. Okay, let's see, we got something here on 2. Okay, let's go back to 6, 5, 4, like count. Oh, there we go. So I was able to get it. Okay, so while we're open, let's decode it. I looked at the key just by eye. I came up with, I think I wrote down 251356. So let's see how close I was. So pin number 1, okay, is a 2. Five. Yeah, 251. Three. 3, 4, 6. Yeah, so I was off by 1. So pin number 5 was a 4, not a 5, as I had guessed visually off the key. So the bidding is 251346. Just Just get that out. I'm going to gut it for you just to show you the new pins. Like I said, I went with the factory lab pins. Only because I couldn't stand to look at those pins that were butchered. And again, you know, it's besides me, other than the possibility of sorry, just looking for my screwdriver. I was trying to get the job done quick, so they just pop in a bunch of pins out of their scrap bin or whatever, and sand everything down. I'll just take this Z-bar out. I'll take the clip off. Again, the Lishied did fairly well considering all the spools that are in here. So just grab that key, just turn that slightly. You don't want to go too far to the right because of the detent on the side. If you do, it could end up right in these holes here, the detent. So you want to be careful. You want to go at around 1 o'clock. And I find these locks are very tight to get the shim in. But if you're careful enough, you should be able to get it in. Okay, so I'm just keeping an eye on that detent. And we'll get my follower. And I'm going to slide it right through. So again, there's the filing down that they did. So basically they put their pins in there and just filed everything smoothly. I mean, it works, but I just don't like it. It's not a quality finish in my opinion. So I'm just gutting it to show you the new pins that I put inside. All brand new out of the kit, and they work beautifully. Okay, and once again I'll show you the I did not change the drivers or anything like that because I wanted to attempt the to Lishied it with what was in there right from the beginning. So the original springs are still there. So it was serrated in one, spool, spool in 3, spool in 4, we'll get that one in a second. Spool in 5. Okay. And standard in 6. And we'll get those springs. The original springs that were in there I left. But my main issue was getting those pins out and putting original, well, brand new out of the kit anyway. They're not original to the lock, but definitely much better than what was in there. So there's the new pins, guys, that I put in from 1 to 6. Straight out of the kit. So that's it, guys. Lishied for you guys today. I wanted to give that a try and show you the new stuff that I put in. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment. And that's the key, and like as you can see with the new key pins, it works just beautifully. Thanks, guys. Appreciate your support. Hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment. Patience, practice, perseverance. Stay well.